I built this grid for veggie clip is because the tangs are getting too aggressive when they eat the nori off of the clip and literally just pull the whole sheet off of the clip. So now the nori basically sandwiches in between these two pieces, and it has rubber O-rings on it just needs it in two sides, so either this side and this side or this side and this side, depending on whatever you're putting in, but nice and clean, and they are able to eat it without any problems. I put about 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters sheets in there, and it gets cleaned up in about a few minutes. And this is how it works. You basically are going to sandwich the nori sheets in between the grid. At the bottom you will see the two O-rings that are already there that you don't have to remove. You will take the sheets of nori, sandwich in between. You'll use the magnets that you already have for your feeding clip, and then use those two O-rings to secure from the top. You will slide the nori in between the two grid, which I'm doing right now with one hand since I'm recording with the other, and then you will feed that nori sheet into the tank after securing the two O-rings on the top. And there it is. You see them feeding off the grid, so no more waste of nori. And there is more than two, maybe three, maybe four tanks at a time that can easily feed off of this grid now. So no more wasting of nori and feeding the overflow anymore. Here is the demo of nori being sandwiched in between the grid, and then I take the magnet, penetrate through the hole in the middle that allows the other side to pop out, where I can basically put the clip on, so it secures a grid on the magnet itself, so it doesn't go anywhere. In this way, all the fish can easily feed. You will slide it through the front pane, and you secure the magnet on the front, and there is all the fish that are actually feeding and feasting on the nori. Not only just the tangs, but even the angelfish, the wrasses, the butterfly fish, they actually eat off of this grid. There it is. I hope this helps, and enjoy. Happy reefing.